Okay, so Karthikeya, let's proceed ahead with your Snap HR for BDL. So again,
Yes.
we start with your brief introduction, Karthikeya.
So my name is Karthikeya, as you know. So I was born in Palampur. I did my schooling from Chandigarh, after which I got selected in Punjab Engineering College in Civil Engineering branch. So I completed my bachelor's in 2018, after which I attempted GATE in Engineering Service exam, through which I got selected in IIT Delhi's Environmental Engineering and Management course. So in my free time, so I like to read about comic books, and I also like to keep up to date with latest technologies. Yes, sir.
So Karthikeya, what are the latest technological breakthroughs in environment science in civil engineering?
Uh, so, uh, environment science is a very large domain, but so what I think is the most interesting is our ability to break down plastic using special enzymes that are created with the help of artificial intelligence. So it is recent news, but some scientists have created an enzyme using artificial intelligence that can break plastic, so which will be highly useful.
Karthikeya, can you tell me some of the breakthroughs in which civil engineer can help to reduce the environmental degradation?
So so the plastic thing. So what I think is the biggest contribution that humans have done to the environment is the introduction of plastic. So plastic, so plastic is literally everywhere. So it is so much prevalent that even it is coming in our food, it's coming in rain, so it is going in people's lungs. So if we can make a system that can dispose of plastic waste, so that I think will be the very good contribution of civil engineers, and we can do that by implementing good solid waste management features. So this is the first contribution. So the second contribution that we think is by protecting our precious water resources. So as we all know, fresh water resources very less, and so it is reducing day by day, and its quality is also reducing. So for example, the salinity of water gets increased because of the high evaporation loss, and so there are myriad of problems, so which can be achieved if there is a system that ensures equitable distribution and storage of
Karthikeya,
water.
are you aware about the additive manufacturing going on in the field of construction?
Sir, I'm not sure with the exact term, but yes, sir, I'm aware of the different materials that are used in construction.
Okay, so are you aware about the green building concepts?
Yes, sir, I'm aware of those concepts.
How do you define green building?
So a green building is a building that that is designed in such a way that it uses less energy. It is less energy intensive and uses less energy intensive construction methods by using recycled materials, and so it has lower greenhouse gas impact.
Okay, Karthikeya, why BDL?
So BDL is a great opportunity for me. So BDL is one of the few defense PSUs that works in the cutting edge field of defense technology. As we all know, defense requires very high end equipment, manufacturing technologies. And I really want to work at the cutting edge of these new concepts that are coming. So, and I think so BDL is a unique opportunity for me. So I don't think there's any other place that I can get this kind of exposure. And so that's why I want to work here.
Are you aware about what is dynamite?
Yes, sir. So dynamite is basically it's a nitroglycerin that is in a soaked wick, and it is used as an explosive.
Do you think this dynamite word in our name defines it properly, this organization?
So I think dynamics is more related to some motions, because
No, it is not dynamics. It is dynamite.
So it is such. So I always associated Bharat dynamics with.
Okay. So dynamite और dynamics जो है वो दो अलग चीज है. कार्तिकेय और ढंग से देखना क्या बोला है उसने, क्या लिखा है. Dynamics लिखा है ना उसने तो वर्ड में.
Yes. Yes, sir.
तो dynamite क्यों आता है फिर बीच में?
Sir, dynamite कहाँ आता है? Sir, Bharat
dynamite नहीं आता, right?
So dynamics can be word derived from dynamite, but dynamics, as I think, it's related to the study of objects
forces
and the forces in motion.
So ये नाम क्यों? Why this name has come? Dynamics.
So because BDL has always been involved in the manufacture of equipments that so, it's always been involved in artillery. So सबसे पहले so the first thing that BDL manufactured was a anti-tank missile that in collaboration with French, and so it is still manufacturing different types of missiles and weapons that can penetrate the most sophisticated armors using force.
ओके कार्तिक, लेट मी गिव यू द फीडबैक नाउ। एक तो नाम के ऊपर क्वेश्चन बनेगा, भारत डायनामिक लिमिटेड, डायनामिक्स लिमिटेड। सो ये डायनामिक्स वर्ड क्यों आया?
ओके सर,
क्यों इसको डायनामिक्स बोला, वो उसके ऊपर सोचो थोड़ा, मेरे को बताना बाद में। डायनामिक्स, यू नो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फ्लूइड डायनामिक्स, यू नो द थिंग्स। डायनामिक्स इज रिलेटेड टू फोर्सेस, नो डाउट, बट व्हाई भारत डायनामिक्स लिमिटेड? ये नाम में आया क्यों, क्या लगता है तुम्हें? हाउ कैन यू लिंक इट विद आवर एक्टिविटी एंड प्रोडक्ट्स? दूसरा, क्योंकि एनवायरनमेंट में है आप, और आपने इंट्रोडक्शन में बोल दिया कि लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी का मैं अपने आप को अपडेट करता हूँ, तो आपको लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी के नाम पे यू डू नॉट नो मच एक्चुअली कार्तिक। प्लास्टिक नो डाउट अनसस्टेनेबल है, वो ठीक, वो नहीं है, उसको आपने वर्कआउट किया, लेकिन देयर इज ओनली वन एग्जांपल। सॉलिड वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट से आप बात कर रहे हो, लेकिन देयर सो मेनी थिंग्स। मैंने आपको बताया ना, कंस्ट्रक्शन डोमेन में लेटेस्ट जो टेक्नोलॉजी चल रही है, जैसे एडिटिव मैन्युफैक्चरिंग की बात कर लेते हैं, या आप आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस की बात कर लो जो अब आ रहा है इसके अंदर। आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस से हम अर्थक्वेक वगैरह कैसे कर सकते हैं, अर्थक्वेक प्रोन बिल्डिंग्स का कैसे स्ट्रक्चर क्रिएट कर सकते हैं। सो
सऊदी अरेबिया ने भी एआई के थ्रू एक बिल्डिंग डिजाइन की थी।
हाँ, मैंने एक वीडियो डाला है प्रोफेसर उदित भाटिया का, जो IIT गांधीनगर के हैं। उनका काम आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस और सिविल इंजीनियरिंग पे है, उसको सुनो भी, उसमें आइडिया 2-4 लग जाएंगे तुम्हें। फिर ये तुम्हारा जो मटेरियल्स है, कंस्ट्रक्शन मटेरियल्स, नई इनोवेशन इन कंस्ट्रक्शन मटेरियल्स, इसके ऊपर काम आप करो, उस पर देखो क्या है। सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट के ऊपर वर्कआउट करो, सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट क्या है, ग्रीन बिल्डिंग्स क्या है। ये कुछ टॉप्स कैच वर्ड्स हैं आपके लिए, जब आपने बीच में बोला लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजीज, सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट क्या चीज है, हाउ कैन वी मेक इट सस्टेनेबल, कंस्ट्रक्शन मटेरियल्स नए ब्रेक थ्रूज क्या है, डायनामिक्स इसमें क्यों डाला हमने। वर्क ऑन दैट कार्तिक बिफोर नेक्स्ट मॉक।